Hi guys, and welcome back. This is the reading for the zodiac sign of Virgo. So if you have your sun, moon, rising, or your Saturn sitting in the house of Virgo, this is the reading for you. You are going to start off your March with recognition. Many of you will be finally getting the promotion that you have been looking for, that you have been waiting for. But overall, in general terms, a lot of you are going to be recognized for your efforts, for the things you do. So that's an amazing start to the month. What else do we have coming for you? Page of Athens. Now, this recognition, this stardom that you're going to get, it might get on your head a little bit. So be aware and don't be, impatient. Don't turn into this person, who gets a little arrogant and doesn't want to, be humble and be soft or be nice about the things that he has achieved. So just make sure you don't get that impatient energy. But also, with the page of swords, this is the page of swords showing up, it also tells me that both cards combined, I think you are going to be using your analytical and intellectual abilities a lot. Um, you'll have this aura, you'll have this charisma, about you, that's going to attract people towards you very much. People are going to be stalking and looking at you everywhere. And then we have another six. Now, a lot of money I see coming, a lot of comforts I see coming, a lot of harmony in your relationships and your communications. I do see finances coming towards you, your wealth increasing. I don't see a very significant change, but I do see, there's going to be change. Like, there is going to be someone that you may have helped in the past, and this person is going to come back and they're going to help you. There are also chances that you might receive bouquets this month. If you haven't already, you will. For majority, for 90% of you, you're going to receive flowers from somebody this month. Another card I have for you is the Five of Chalices. So what's going to happen is, despite everything going well in your career, in your profession, there is one aspect of your life that might take a little bit of dip, and that is going to be your personal life. Because of all the work, and all the hard work that you've put into, there are chances that you might not be able to focus on your personal life a little bit, which can cause, some kind of feeling of abandonment, or, some kind of depression, or just stress that you don't have anybody to rely on. So, for people who are married or in a relationship, I think your partner might feel like a little left out, that you're not paying enough attention to them. For all the others who are single, I think it's an amazing card, because now you're focused on your career. And with career, your emotional or your personal life will flourish, but it's just going to take a little time. See? But moving forward, I think, because you'll recognize this, or you watch my video and you recognize it, so you're going to pay more attention to your emotions, to your relationships, so that you're able to balance it out and you're able to maintain it really, really well. The next card we have is the Four of Swords. So you are not going to be taking a lot of action. I feel like, despite having this new start, maybe you guys are not ready to, put in all the effort into your personal life. The thing is, I understand this is a career and a finance reading, but the way I see it, that is where it's going, and that's what I'm going to tell you. So I feel like, in the start of the month, despite your focus being on career and doing really good in career, there are chances that your personal life might suffer at the hands of it. And and after, I think, after approximately after 4 months, so after March, 4 weeks, sorry, my apologies, after March, I think your personal life will become more stable. Or after thinking a lot, I think you're finally going to move to a different place. You're going to move into a different energy. So this is the Fool card, and you're going to be exploring, new ideas, new places of work. You're going to be looking at, possibly different ways that you can invest this money, because you have made money here. So you're going to be thinking about that. See, and that's when you're going to finally start paying attention to your love life and your personal life. But in the month of March, I think that's what I would like to tell you. You're doing great in your career, finances are improving. Just make sure, you stick there. And Nine of Wands, you'll figure it out. You have to, you know, compromise a little bit of things, but I think you're going to be able to make it. And also at the bottom of the deck I have the Four of Wands, which tells me somebody would be getting married, and which is why you have been saving. You have been working so much because you want to save enough money to be able to afford this wedding, you know, to be able to pamper your person. So that is very prominent. Now this is the general reading. Now specifically for people who are unemployed and who are looking for jobs, you guys need to activate your sixth house. Think of this as a remedy that I'm giving you. You need to activate your sixth house in your chart. And how do you activate that chart? Your sixth house is by working out. So guys, if you are unemployed, my only advice to you would be start working out. That's going to energize your sixth house, which is the house of jobs and services, and that's how you're going to end up getting a job. If you have questions, feel free to reach out on either Instagram or Facebook, and I'll explain it to you how it works. But it would work. I have tried it and it works wonderfully. So let me know if this reading resonates, and I'll see you guys next time.